Welcome to inspiredHMS FO system. I'm your host Jeffrey Anwar. Today I'm going to talk about on how to upload the eInvoice from the desktop application version and on how to reprint the eInvoice and how to see eInvoice are sent and how to upload. This is for back office, how to upload the FO revenue to LHDN website and how to upload the AR eInvoice. Let's get started. This is how the desktop application looks like. Let's come to cashiering and pick one of the folio. So we double click this one and then this is the folio. Make sure the folio balance is 0 already and the folio is checked out already. Now we have the new button here, eInvoice. So we can click this button. So just like printing the text invoice, same one. So this is whether it is guest or it is master, whether it is folio number 1, folio number 2 or number 4. So eInvoice can be uploaded for individual or to company, but you only can have either one, cannot have both. Let's try. We just click this one, we have to wait. So if we see there is no invoice number, reservation number, folio number, means that you have to click once more. Let's click once more. The second time you click, you will see the reservation ID, whether it is a guest. Basically, it's this blue line, whether it is a guest or master folio, the folio number, whether it is for individual or to company. In previous video, I have already shown you how to register a new account, a new user. So we have created for this one for front office role. So let's log in. Just click here, the hotel name. Straightly we are in uploading menu. So we have to ensure all these TIN number, BRN number or IC number. If it is individual, TIN number is preceding with the IG. Then this will be a IC number. So IC number cannot have space like this. So make sure there is no space, no strip. And for if it is company, then if SST number is available, then key in the SST number, the TTX number, the phone number. It's also compulsory to enter, and there's not supposed to be any space in preceding or space in between, so it will be failed to upload. Email address, postcode. Make sure postcode is 5 digit. You cannot have also preceding a space like this. And state, you have to select the state. And industrial code, if it is individual, mean it's not applicable. If it is not individual, you have to search which the industrial code. After that, then we can continue. We just click continue here. You have to click here, not applicable. Then now we comes to the hotel's information. So if it is fill up properly, I think this one is only once a time already. You have to click. Then we click upload here. Once we upload, let's click upload. Once successful upload, you will see the screen, submission ID, UUID. This is the UUID, very important. So once successfully uploaded, system will show you this result. Every time eInvoice is uploaded, system will make a credit note, because why? Back office is already uploading the revenue on a daily basis, so it doesn't matter. So financially, to the hotel is okay, but to the guests, they will get their own e-invoice. Okay. Once this successful upload, you have to wait for 30 seconds to get the QR code. And then after that, you have to click detail e-invoice. Then you will get the, after that you reprint, you will get the QR code. Because LSJN website need 30 seconds to refresh the record once you have uploaded the e-invoice. So once we click the detail invoice, you notice here a long ID. Actually, this one is for the QR code. Once you see this one, for sure, when the guest snapshot the QR code, they will see their own information. Now, everyone, even the staff also can see the QR code and then can see the detail. And the second one, status is valid. If it is status invalid, then you need to resubmit. So we now can print this one. Let's try to print this one. Now this is the e-invoice with the hotel logo here and also the barcode. This is what I'm talking about. So when you can use your handphone with Google Chrome with the Google Lens, then when you click this one, you will get all the information of this upload. So once you have uploaded, you have after you snapshot with the Google Lens, you will see this 300 ringgit request for the company, the e-invoice that we are issuing, also the UUID, and also the, if it is AR, then AR. If it is folio number, then it will be a folio number. Before we continue to the second way on how to upload the e-invoice, let's have a look how FO staff can update TIN number for the guest. So we pick up one of the guests, we double click the reservation number, we double click the room's number, and we double click guest sequence number. Here's where the FO staff can update ID number, first name, ID numbers, mobile number, phone number, but this one it cannot be accepted by LSDN. We should delete the space or the strip one. Email is compulsory, so you have to key in the email. Also the state, so you have to key in the state, city, you have to key in postcode, you have to key in 1 2 3 4 5, also the TIN number. If it is individual, start with this IG. One is done, then you just save and close. Now I want to show you on how to update this company. So basically company system will take from here, main reservation info. This is the company. So in the system, for maintaining the company is residing in reservation company profile. Let's take triple quest here. We double click on the company ID. Here the TIN number. The TIN number, the most important is the TIN number, address, business registration, which is BRN, SST number or GST number, email address, postal code, and once again a TIN number. Once you're done with this one, then you are ready to upload the e-invoice. You have to get the link. This http / localhouse, maybe it's the hotel server, e-invoice login.ispx. In my case, I just copy paste this one. Then I open the Google Chrome and just Control V here and enter. As I have elaborated in the previous video on how to register and how to create a user for the FO staff, please visit that video so we can continue from here. Let's create from this we created before with, with this Joe. We just click Joe and then we log in. Straight away we come to the main menu. Here's the menu. So we have to fill up this reservation number, folio number, master folio as a guest folio, and e-invoice for individual or company. Let's search. So in here you can search by room number, by reservation number, departure date, and also the guest date. Let's try to find departs on 5th January 2026. Folio number 1 for guest and for individual, then can continue. Then we coming back to this e-invoice upload. So the staff just has to need to complete again IG for individuals. The phone number, please remind it phone number cannot be having a space. Postcode and state also need to be hidden. Continue. Then check again the company information here. When it's ready, then we just need to click upload. When successful, this message will appear again. Submission UUID, and also for the credit note. Then we have to click this detail e-invoice. So once the detail is appearing, make sure long ID have a content here and also the status valid. Now we can continue on printing the receipt for the guest. So we click receipt for the guest. This can be printed and give it to the guest before give it to the guest. The FO staff also can check the QR code by scanning the QR code and then see the result directly from the LHDN My Tax Invoice. Next, let me log in with the admin's role user. Let's try login with the role user is admin. Once is admin coming, so the admin can see what is the list of the invoice that is being uploaded by the FO staff. Just click here and we just can click here. So this will be a long list here. You can browse around, you can click full year to see the full years. You can click for the months. For January is only one for January. You can click here to continue and then see what is being uploaded. I think that's all for today's video. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.